Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're starting immediately. Check your iPhone model and update iOS so compatibility issues are minimized. Back up your phone to iCloud or a computer to prevent data loss. Make sure you have your Apple ID and Google credentials ready because you'll sign into services. Understand that the Google Play Store isn't natively supported on iPhone. The next steps show practical alternatives. Install official Google iOS apps, use web apps, or stream an Android device when necessary. Proceed once your backup completes. First, search the App Store for official Google apps, Gmail, Maps, Drive, and install them. These replace many Play apps. Once done, open the Google Play app page in Safari or the app's web interface and choose Add to Home Screen to create a progressive web app shortcut. If you must run an Android-only app, use a remote Android instance. Set up Chrome Remote Desktop, a cloud Android provider, or a friend's device and stream the app. Make sure your accounts are signed in and sync is enabled. Complete by signing into Google services and confirming sync, notifications, and permissions so data flows correctly. If an app is unavailable on iOS, use its web version or search for an alternative app that provides the same features. Add the web app to your home screen for quick access. If streaming, test latency and network quality. Troubleshooting tip: if an app won't load, check region restrictions, clear Safari cache, and verify account region settings. Avoid jailbreaking unless you accept warranty loss and security risks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.